Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Eroded Badlands error in Minecraft. This error is actually related to the login or account sync issue and not biome itself. It usually happens when Minecraft cannot connect properly to Microsoft or Xbox services. First, restart Minecraft and try logging in once again, because temporary glitches can sometimes block authentication. Also, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, since a weak connection can stop account verification. After that, just go ahead and click on your profile and click on log out, and then log back in with your Microsoft account to refresh your login session. After that, just go ahead and restart your PC or device to clear any background connection issue. Then also make sure your Minecraft launcher is updated to the latest version. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for Minecraft launcher and go to the official website and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Since outdated version can cause login errors, finally wait a few minutes and try again, because sometimes this issue is caused by temporary server problems. So the simple rule is, when Minecraft cannot connect to Microsoft services, this error appears, and refreshing your account or restarting usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft Eroded Badlands error by restarting, relogging into Microsoft account, checking internet, and updating the launcher. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.